Hi guys, it is us Brickbrotherss here again today with a review on the Hobbit and Unexpected Journey set, Escape from Mirkwood Spiders. It is a preview set and the set number is 79001, recommended ages 8 to 14. That's the top of the box, that's I think an exclusive minifigure to this set. Side of the box, the other side, Lego club and all that, and the back of the box. These net pieces look very nice, a lot of the glow in the dark pieces, also some nice weapons. That's set all together. So let's get this unboxed. Okay, inside we get one numbered bag, completely full, two numbered bags, all together in the set, and a nice little instruction manual which isn't bent or anything, which is always nice to see. So, on to the review. Alright, here is the set. Now we've built it. As you can see, it comes with 4 minifigures, 2 big spiders and 2 little tree parts. So, let's have a close-up on the minifigs. Okay, here is Keely, the dwarf. His weapon is a bow and arrow, and he comes with some nice printing there, acting as a strap for this arrow holder at the back, and his headpiece is nice, doesn't block the arrow holder. And he does come with a double-sided face, a little more angry at the front, calmer at the back, and his headpiece. And I'll just show you. And we do get a little bit of back printing. Looks like he's been wearing a hood. So on to Feely. Here's Feely the dwarf. Comes with two nice miniature swords, since he is smaller than regular minifigures. Comes with the same headpiece as Keely, but in a different colour. Yes, yet again a more normal face on the back. Nice front printing there. And I'll just take this off again. And there's a bit of his back printing. So onto the elves. Okay, here's Toriel. I think she is a Mirkwood dwarf. Comes with these very nice blades. You get 3 of these. I think these are kind of from Prince of Persia a few years ago, if you remember that. So they're nice. And comes with some very nice printing, bit of leg printing to give it that continuous look onto the legs. Comes with an orange elf piece, just like Legolasses, but obviously orange and some large ears. So yet again, like most of these minifigures, she does have a double-sided face and it is angry, and she does come with some very nice back printing. So now on to Legolas. Alright, here is Legolas Greenleaf. he is different to the Legolas that we see in The Lord of the Rings, but he does of course have the same headpiece. So Legolas is a Mirkwood elf, since this is Mirkwood where this set is placed, or based on. And yet again he does have some leg printing, giving him a very nice look. Comes with a bow and arrow, probably better at using that than Keely. His headpiece is the usual Legolas headpiece, and of course an angry face and a little bit of back printing. So on to the spiders. Okay, here are the Mirkwood spiders, which I think everyone in the set are against. You get 2 of these. They're not very like Shelob in the Lord of the Rings set, 2012. Those 2 pieces glow in the dark. I'll show you the glow in the dark features in a minute. Okay, so we've got this little thing at the back that can move. I'm not sure what it's called, but they are definitely seen on spiders. You get a lot of leg pieces, and each one can move up and down. And I'll just show you the other one, exactly the same. So, on to the trees. Okay, let's start with our smallest tree. Well, I'm not sure this is a tree, it's more... I don't know what it is, to be honest, actually. Because it doesn't have any branches or anything, it's just got this little weed kind of piece. Has some weapons, which probably are stored there by the elves. Uses a lot of these dark black pieces, yeah. And these nice red pieces, which we don't see a lot, and nice skeleton and bone piece. So, on that bottom. So, on to the main tree. Okay, here's the main part of the set. Do get a nice little spider, which is, of course, nothing compared to this big spider. But, anyways, let's take a look at this. You get 2 nice skeleton heads there, and spider under that little cave place. 2 mushrooms, spider web. I'll show you what these 2 are used for in a minute. Some very nice red branches, which we don't see a lot. And as you can see, there's a few little switches that we're going to press and take out in a minute. Again, another one of these pieces. And there's the bottom. That's all the plates that are used to make this. So this is basically what these nets are used for. They do come in one of those boxes which the capes usually come in. So I'm just going to put Keely in. So it's almost acting as like a spider web. So this would be pretty cool in like Spider-Man or something like that, in the superheroes theme. So now Keely is trapped in this very nice spider web, and it is quite a bit different to the old kind of Lego spider web back there, but it is very nice to see that coming through now with Lego. And see that spider down there? We're gonna go ahead and push this switch here. So, well, what it's supposed to do, that wasn't a very good try, but it's supposed to catapult the spider out, just like that. And that spider is glow in the dark. So, next up, we're gonna take this little brown thing out, and we'll see what happens if Keely is released or anything else. So, let's have a go. And the tree does fall. It is held together with this. So, now Keely can get out of his web and escape. So, thank you for watching this review on Escape from Mirkwood Spiders. Please like, comment and subscribe. And this has been Brickbrotherss.